Have you ever wondered what drives someone to leave a secure job at a prestigious firm to chase what might seem like a crazy dream? In this video, we dive into the inspiring story of Jeff Bezos, the man who left it all behind to start an online bookstore that would eventually become the giant Amazon. Discover the bold decisions and valuable lessons that shaped his journey and how his choices can inspire you to turn your own dreams into reality. Jeff Bezos shared that he was working at a financial firm in New York City, surrounded by very smart people, and had a brilliant boss whom he greatly admired. He went to his boss and told him that he was going to start a company to sell books on the internet. The boss took him on a long walk in Central Park, listened carefully, and finally said, "That sounds like a really good idea, but it would be an even better idea for someone who didn't already have a good job. You can have a job, a career, or a calling. And if you can somehow find a calling, you've hit the jackpot because that's the big deal." Bezos met Dave, a friend, 25 years ago and told him, "Dave, I want you to invest in my company." When Dave asked what he was doing, Bezos replied, "I'm going to start a bookstore in my garage, put it online, people will buy online, and I'll ship from my garage. But if you invest in me, Dave, one day I'll be the richest man in the world, and I'll do over $100 billion. At that time, there was no such thing as $100 billion, either statistically or in reality. Even countries didn't have that amount. The national debt wasn't even $100 billion. And there was Bezos, at 26 years old, saying he would be the richest man in the world because he had a garage and the internet. That was his truth. But he didn't know it, and neither did Dave. The difference between them was that Dave was laughing, scoffing, and joking, while Bezos was already applauding himself, confident that he was on the right path at the perfect time. Bezos moved forward with his vision, determined to make as much as he could as quickly as he could, while Dave didn't believe it would become a big business. Bezos always advised people to do something they were truly passionate about, rather than chasing what was trendy at the moment. For him, it was a difficult choice, but he decided that he had to give it a shot. Bezos didn't think he'd regret trying and failing, but he suspected he would always be haunted by the decision not to try. As a kid, Bezos was a garage inventor. He talked about how he invented an automatic gate closer made from cement-filled tires, a solar cooker, which didn't work very well, made from an umbrella and aluminum foil, and alarms to catch his siblings. He always wanted to be an inventor, and his mother encouraged him to follow his passion. Bezos also mentioned a military phrase that he loves: slow is smooth, and smooth is fast. He saw this in every endeavor he was involved in. To him, this kind of thinking really allows progress. He believes that we all receive certain gifts in life, and we should take full advantage of them, but he also emphasizes that we should be proud not of our gifts, but of our hard work and choices. He explained that even if someone is naturally good at math, for example, that's a gift. But practicing that math and taking it to the next level can be challenging and require a lot of effort, that's a choice. For Bezos, you can't be proud of your gifts because they were given to you, but you can be grateful for them. However, your choices, working hard, doing difficult things, are what you can be proud of. Bezos believes that we all get to choose our life stories, and it's our choices that define us, not our gifts. He mentioned that everyone has many gifts, including himself, but that you should never be proud of those gifts because they were given to you. He argues that you can only truly be proud of your choices, as those are the things you act on. One of the most important choices, according to Bezos, is whether to opt for a life of comfort and ease or a life of service and adventure. And when you're 80 years old, which of those choices do you think you'll be more proud of? For him, the answer is obvious: be proud of choosing a life of service and adventure. Bezos concludes by emphasizing that there has never been a better time to be alive, considering the amount of inspiration, change, invention, and opportunity that the world offers. He reflects that the life you author independently begins now, and he asks, how will you use your gifts? What choices will you make? Will you let inertia be your guide, or will you follow your passions? Will you follow dogma, or will you be original? Will you choose a life of ease or a life of service and adventure? Will you wilt under criticism, or will you follow your convictions? Will you bluff it out when you're wrong, or will you apologize? Will you guard your heart against rejection, or will you act when you fall in love? Will you play it safe, or will you be a little swashbuckling? And when things get tough, will you give up, or will you be relentless? For Bezos, every time someone figures out a way to provide tools and services that empower others to deploy their creativity, that person is on the right path. He considers himself very lucky to have a career because he knows that many people end up with just a job. He believes that if you don't love what you do, you'll never be great at it. Finally, he mentions historical figures like Jules Verne, Mark Twain, Galileo, and Newton, saying that they all would have loved to be alive today. As a civilization, we have many gifts, just as each individual does. And Bezos asks again, how will you use these gifts? Will you take pride in them, or in your choices? In conclusion, Jeff Bezos reminds us that the journey to success isn't just about the opportunities we receive, but about the choices we make along the way. His story inspires us to pursue our passions, make bold decisions, and embrace the challenges that come with striving for greatness. Whether it's through following a calling or creating something that empowers others, the choices we make today will define the legacy we leave behind. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll help spread these inspiring ideas to more people and stay updated with all the latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.